Welcome back to another video. In this video we will be looking at the stock market. As we can see that it's been crashing for the past month, for the past few weeks. It's just been on a downtrend, and we will be looking at the analysis that we can see for today and the analysis that we've been trading for the past few weeks. And starting since this week, we saw the stock market crash even more during Japanese hours, trading hours, and then here we see a major consolidation, and then we see a final break of this consolidation for the trend to continue being bearish. So if we look over here, we can see that NOS is the one I will be looking at more. We can see here that it is respecting a 61.8 level. We do it from the bottom to the top, and then we put it. We can see that it came to retest here at the retracement level of 61.8, and we see it start to go up. So in the meantime, it looks like it could be bullish, especially now that Japanese hours are just started. As soon as Japanese markets opened, NOS started shooting up. It went up over 150 pips, which is a lot of pips for at least a market open. And so what can we say? What can we see about this, right? We can see that we've been in a downtrend this whole time. So why would we change the trend of the market, right? So the trend is still bearish. The trend is still bearish, and we can see that it's been making lower highs, then lower lows. It's a lower high, lower low, and it can make a lower high here. Since we see that the 61.8 was respected, a way we can see a retracement from that, a reversal, is by taking out our fib extensions. If we take our fib extensions, we put it from the bottom to the top, and then we put it to where it reversed, which is here, 61.8. It gives us the levels on where there could be potential reversals to continue the downtrend. And what do we see here? So we see here, this is a good price, 23.6. And right where this price aligns, we can see that there's resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, and resistance here. So this level over here could play out a major role. And then we see here the 38.2. It's another major reversal area. We can also see here, and also 61.8. And all of these, some people like to use it as take profit, but it can also be used as a reversal point, and especially since we know we're in a downtrend. So if we're looking to sell more, these are excellent levels to look at, to re-enter those sales and to follow the downtrend that this market has been going. And we know that it has not been going to push up. It has not been able to sustain the news. We see all the news that's been coming out, and the fear that now the banks are having of a possible recession, a possible market crash. So that's the whole reason of all these market sell-offs. And we see it all around the world. It's not just in US markets. It's all everywhere here. So, and that's what I wanted to show you guys. If you guys have any questions, any comments, leave them down. Don't forget to share and subscribe and like this video. If you guys want me to go over any other pairs, for right now, I will be going over NOS as it has been moving really, really smoothly, and it has been being really good to us. So we're sticking to NOS, and this is what we've been seeing. So the trend is ultimately a downtrend, and we are looking for sells. Obviously, there could be buys even in a downtrend, but ultimately we're trying to look for sells, major sell-offs, and capitalize on them. So yeah, if we look at Bitcoin as well, this is where Bitcoin was. The signal for today was over here in Bitcoin. We see a shoulder, head, shoulder, and on top of that, we saw the break over this trend line and a retest of it, which will give us the guarantee to sell. So the confirmation to sell, and we sold, and we were able to capitalize on that. About $3,000 is what it dropped, 57,600 all the way to where it's at right now, 54,000. So the market's been moving really great, and we just got to capitalize on these times, these times of fear is when we're supposed to be even more active in the markets. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, leave them down. And thank you guys. See you guys on the next one.